Welcome everyone to my first Airsoft video. This is a Milsim event Operation Minefield from the Wind series. Our KWK forces task was to prepare safe passage for the main forces offensive. Our command headquarters informed us about mines and possible ambushes of the rebels. We had to move as a column on the road, marked on map with red line. Black line indicates safe road of our medical helicopter. What I loved is really highly developed medical procedures and wound system. It simulated real battlefield very well. Unfortunately, our two sappers were heavily wounded on the first mine. As it occurred, rebels had new type of the mines from Umbrella Corps. Medics had to stabilize them and transport to the helicopter. On the edge of the forest, rebels observer has been spotted. There were no orders though to attack or chase him.
Co teraz?
It was quite slippery. It was not the first man down.
Dobra, zatrzymanie w podpocie.
Here our 7-man Detachment Hydra received orders to split from the main force to secure highly dangerous points on the way of division. Yes, that was actually a real metal detector. We are moving closer to the hill where rebels prepared the ambush. Unfortunately, that's where battery in my camp died. We've lost one man on the mine, 2 shot and myself lightly wounded in the arm by another mine.
Tak, ale opatrzone. Przykryjcie go flagą. I tak nic nie czuję.
Because of high losses in our detachment, we had to move to the helicopter, carrying bodies of our friends. We have secured landing strip and used a red smoke grenade to mark it. Once helicopter arrived, we have received reinforcements and quickly ran back to the main convoy, which as we heard was under heavy mortar fire. As sappers with detectors were always on the front, they were allowed 2 ballistic shields.
Pościg, tarczy do przodu! Tarczy do przodu! To jest tylko dym! Tarczy do przodu, saper! Dobra, odpływ, podchodzimy, odpływ! Napierdalać! Uważajcie na minę!
We've shot one of the rebels and taken him as a prisoner. Nie dobijaj go!
Nie, jaką masz kartę?
We have repelled another frontal attack. Unfortunately, our column extended on the road and 2 of the rebels fooled our rear guard. They were able to silent kill 5 of our operators by slap in the arm and shot dead our commander.
Kontakt tył!
Green smoke grenade meant call of air support. Rebels had to retreat in such situation. Treatment or stabilization process could take 10 to 40 minutes and contain medicines injection and a drip. It was quite cold, therefore medics were equipped in thermal foil, or whatever it's called. They had to carry lots of equipment in their backpacks. We have sent medics and wounded operators with an escort to the medical helicopter and continue our mission. This is how sappers dispose some of the mines. Alarm indicated explosion. We've completed our mission finding and disposing 85% of anti-tank mines and 77% of anti-personnel mines. I'm surely going to take part of next Wind Series event. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If so, make sure to like and leave a comment down below. Please subscribe for more Airsoft action. Stay tuned and see you soon.